Hi everyone, this is Yvette. I am here with a mini album for you. I haven't recorded a video for a little while, so here we go. This is a photo album from Paper Phenomenon, and the designer is Kathy King. The tutorial is the Picture Perfect Supersize Photo Album Volume 1 Portrait. This is the portrait version. This album, when complete and with my tape and gussets and everything, measures 9.5 by 10.5, and my spine is roughly about 3 inches. I have used 3 paper collections for this, and the ones that I have used is, I have O Canada from Photoplay, and it is a really, really nice collection. I love it quite a bit. It's a lot of fun. The second one I used was Simple Stories, and it's Plaid Dad, and it's just a mini kit, and it has just a few sheets, a few stickers, and some journaling cards that you can cut up and use. I like the plaid in it, and it kind of worked with everything else. This here is, the Simple Stories one is a 2016 collection, or 2018 collection. This one's a 2016 collection. The wood grain is why I bought this one. It is, you'll see in the album, it just fits perfect with everything else. So I have also used some of these, and these are some from my stash. When Kathy King first had PETA Fest, we made some photo inserts that are themed with the country we live in. So I did mine with Canada papers, and this is some leftover pieces that I had from there. So I used a few of these in the album. And for the ephemera, I used the Photoplay, and there's not very many left, and it worked really well. So on the cover, I did some flocking here because the Plaid Dad has some sayings about beards. So I thought this would be nice, and it's kind of like a velour finish there. Here I did some layering, and I did some foam tape on this one, and I did foam tape on this one too. This is the wood grain from the Snap Basic collection. This is my spine, just pretty plain. And then the back is, I really liked how the back turned out. I did it the same as the front, and then I just put the sticker down that said Made in Canada. So that is the photo album. This photo album, I really like it. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it's fairly heavy actually. It's nice. I like it. It's only got 3 pages, and it went together fairly easy. This mini album does have 162 spots at the moment with place photo here photos. So, but as you can see, as you'll see in the book, you can put a lot more photos in it. What else can I tell you about it? I think that's about it. I'll go right into it. This is going to be a class that I'm going to teach at the Scrapbook Cottage on September 8th, 2019. It's a Sunday, so if you guys can make it, sign up. If it fills up pretty quickly, which I think it will because it's a very, very nice album, I think you're going to really like it. We're going to do more than one class. So just talk to the Scrapbook Cottage, book your spot, and we'll go from there. So let's go inside. So on the cover here, I have a magnet for the closure, and it opens this way. And then it has the flaps here. I call them bumpers, but it keeps everything nice and tidy. Did a bit of plaid on the top and the bottom. Photo mats are 4x6s, 4x4s, and there's a lot more room if you want to put more in there. So that closes like that. And on this side, you can see that I did some journaling cards, sticker, and then some photo mats there. Close it. It opens this way. Love the paper. And this is an acetate pocket. And at the moment I just have one photo mat in there, but you can definitely put more. And then this one opens this way. And in the center here you have a pocket. You've got some photo mats. This is a journaling card. And I will share the sizes of the photo mats in class when you guys sign up. And there's definitely room for more photos on the back of this too. I do have a little bit of scraps left, but I wanted to keep them until I put photos in it. I'm probably going to put photos of camping in here. I don't think I'm going to visit every province in Canada, so I will definitely put camping pictures in here, I think. And then journaling cards, photo mats. And that closes that, And here we have a belly band pocket. So I did all the belly bands with the wood grain, and then I added some large inserts. So that's what that looks like. So again, photos, and then here's the belly band pocket. And this is how I decorated them. Like that. And then here we have a shallow pocket with a photo mat. You can put your picture behind there, and then a couple more photo mats. 2x2s, 3x4 or 4x6s, and 3x4s. And on this side we have, I use the tab maker from We Are Memory Keepers to make my photo mats. And again, I'll share the sizes in class. Added some stickers and some embellishments there. Photo green or wood grain paper again. Did a collage of stickers down here. 4x6s, 3x4s, 4x6, 4x6s. Here's a nice little collage. And let me move this over so you can see this. And then on this side, this is the plaid where really love it. And then here's a nice insert. And then we come to the next pocket or belly band pocket. And we have a photo mat here, and this one is the mirror image for the other side. And then this is how I decorated this one. Love the plaid shirts. And the wood grain just, I think it just makes everything nice. Here's some collages, some embellishments. 4x6s. Get to the back here, we have a picture and a Tim Hortons coffee cup. And I love the syrup and maple syrup picture or paper too, very cute. And this is from my stash. 4x4s. I like the matting on that. 4x6s, and then here we have a nice little layout, just so it complements each other. These ones you can put your pictures underneath it, left it. And then we have that, and then on this one we have another insert. And again, I didn't mat the back or put photos, but you definitely have room to put more photos. Here I did a little bit of collage with the moose, and a double-double goes with the Tim Hortons cup. When you flip that, we have the beaver paper and the moose and the fox, really cute with some wood grain. And then we have a few inserts. And if you don't want them portraits, you can definitely make them landscape. Here is another belly band. And then here's one insert, and then the back insert, kind of mirror image. And I love the dark wood too. And then here we have some more inserts. And again, you can tuck your picture behind that. And then some photo mats. Definitely, again, more room. There's lots of room to put more inserts. And then on the back side, we have a photo mat with 3 3x4s. And then that's the reverse side, little collage down here, some stickers up here. And here, if you want, you can definitely put some paper, some pictures. There's lots of room for pictures, or you can just enjoy the paper. 3x4s or 4x6s. 3x3s, 4x6s here. Here you can tuck your pictures underneath those. And then that's your other side. And then here we have photo mats. I love this layout here. It'll look really cute with pictures. Love the moose. Where we live, there's not much for moose. Lots of deer, but not moose. Canada Rocks is right there. And then the back side, we have this. This is an old paper from my stash. And then we have another insert. And then on this side, this is where we have that the best dads have beards. So that's why I took the beard idea for the front of my book, for that flocking. And then that's the bumpers are here. And then I have a photo mat. And then there's another photo mat here. You can tuck something behind there, or you can just do some journaling. And again, there's room for pictures or more paper on the back. So 4x6s here. You close these, close that. And then when you flip it, there is another acetate pocket here. And there's a nice photo mat here for 4x4s. And then that opens that way. And you've got inserts, photo mats. Love the plaid. Love. This is from the plaid for dad plaid dad paper collection from Simple Stories. And then there's this one. These are 3x3s. Just cut down a little bit so that it fits in there. And that is the mini album. So again, if you are interested, please call the Scrapbook Cottage in Winnipeg and book a spot. I love this one. I'm probably going to do the landscape version too. And just keep checking. There'll be more classes coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.